of
Yeah.
bringing about changes. So,
Mhm.
for example, and this is unfortunately what the world is going through, is 95% of the women have lived in rejecting their feminine self or their feminine energy,
Mm.
you know, um, because back in the day, generations and generations, everyone wanted a boy child. The minute a girl child was born, it's like, oh my God,
Yeah.
you
Try
know,
again.
exactly. Our mothers carrying that wound, that, oh, women are not supposed to talk out, women are not supposed to do something. Of course, now the world that we're living in has become a lot more progressive.
Mhm.
But that rejection of the feminine wound has already happened in our grandmothers.
Right.
All the lineage and grandmothers from both the sides, your maternal, paternal. In some way or the other, that wound has been carrying forward, and it manifests in different ways. It manifests in physical ailments. 9 out of 10 women, why do they suffer with hormonal imbalance, PCO, is because that is a physical manifestation of them rejecting their feminine wound
Mm.
or feminine energy.
Yeah.
Even the imbalance that you look at globally, it's man versus woman. We don't see each other as human beings. The entire world is split between man and woman. And women are not being true to their divine feminine energy and constantly operating from the masculine space. And it's exhausting. What's coming back to it is so important to become aware to what is the generational wound that needs to be healed.
Right.
And once that shift happens, once that awareness happens, you start making choices according to that awareness. Healing is very easy. It's the diagnosis of that trauma or that generational wound is very difficult. If people, the next question, I know many of the listeners will be like, okay, how do we know what is our generational wound? Look at the experiences around you. So, if at all in your life you're attracting a lot of abuse, you're attracting a lot of aggression, you're attracting a lot of dominance, that energy is the energy that needs to be released because at some point your ancestors were operating from that space. And you have to break that by making a choice that I'm not going to let other people's aggression, their dominance affect me. I'm not going to victimize myself and I'm not going to become a victim to that energy.